Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's recipe we are making fisherman soup. In fact, this soup tasted so delicious, so yummy. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. And before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, so this way you will get notified each time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. I will start by cooking the cocoyam. So to a clean pot, I will add the cocoyam. I will add water. Then I will cover and start cooking until they are soft. While the cocoyam is cooking, I will go ahead and prep the rest of the ingredients. I will start by blending the uziza seed. The uziza seed gives the soup a very nice taste and a very nice aroma. So I will be combining it also with the leaf. So when that is done, I will keep it aside. Then to start cooking of the soup, I will go ahead and introduce my fish, my fresh fish in the pot. I'm using cocoyam fish. I will also add snail. To season, I will add some salt, 2 seasoning cubes, Okay, in here I have blended pepper and onion, so I will add it as well. I will be adding a little of the uziza seed that I blended earlier on. And I will add water and cover and start cooking. And here we have the cocoyam. They are done. You can see they are now quite very soft. So I will be blending this off camera. So back to the fish. After 10 minutes, now I will be removing the fish and continue cooking the snails. Now I'm also using fresh stockfish. So now we'll go ahead and add the stockfish and the crabs. I'm using crabs. After 5 minutes, our stockfish and the crabs, they are ready. I will also take them out and also continue cooking the snails, because fresh stockfish doesn't take time to cook. Now I will add my prawns. I'm using fresh prawns. They are now well cleaned and washed. I'll go ahead and add it. And also add water for the soup, for cooking of the soup. I will cover and allow it to boil. Then I will add the remaining of the uziza seed. Add red palm oil. I will also add our thickener, the blended cocoyam. I will cover and allow it to boil. Our soup is beautifully boiling. I will now add periwinkles and the uziza seed. It's fresh uziza seed from the freezer. And I will stir everything together. One thing about this soup is that everything is fresh, no dry ingredients. After 2 minutes, I will stir and taste for salt and seasoning and adjust if necessary. Wow, this soup tastes so delicious. I will adjust with a little more salt. Our soup is almost done. So this time I will put back the fish that we cooked earlier on. And the aroma right now in my kitchen is amazing. Also the crabs. So at this moment you stir carefully so that the fish doesn't break. Lastly, I will add the spinach. And after that, our soup is ready. So let me know in the comment section which swallow you would love to enjoy this soup. It tasted so delicious. Okay, so if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and hit that red place that says subscribe. It's free of charge. Okay, YouTube doesn't charge anything. And also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.